I'm not scared of the dark. I'm not running, running, running. No, I'm not afraid of the fall. I'm not scared, not at all. Why would a star ever be afraid of the dark? I'm not scared. I'm not scared either of the stars. I'm not scared of the dark, of the dark.
Don't you? I ain't never scared, I ain't never horrified. I just look down at my Rolex and said it's the darkest times. I ain't never terrified, I ain't never petrified. You know I see dead people, I just tell them get a life. I ain't never scared, I'm not sure if that's a word, but I'm in every word, feeling like do not disturb. Wait, let me testify, I have never testified, and I'm married to my pride. I ain't never right. I got eyes like marbles, if I cry, they sparkle. You know I could read your mind like I'm the author. There's a line for tomorrow, and that line's getting shorter. I'm behind the trigger. What if I am the target deep side? A sayonara, I ain't afraid to die. It's either goodbye, good morning, and the sky start to falling, and I'ma shine in the darkness. I look back down in my rollie, it says time for the chorus. You know I'm not scared
of the dark.
I ain't never scared, I ain't never
I'm
scared.
not running, running, running. No, I'm not afraid of the fall.
Yeah.
I'm not scared, not at all.
I ain't never scared, I ain't
Why
never
would
scared.
a star ever be afraid of the dark?